Hello, good day. It's your host Klaus here with another analytical video or analysis video. Um, Before we get into the new charts that we're gonna be analyzing today, let's see what we have for the previous ones. We should start with boom one key. Nice. So boom one key hits TP. Yeah. So that is not bad. We will probably look for another entry later. Well, yeah, this is a sell because of yeah. Respected this. This is why it went for a sell again. You respected this area, yeah. That with this one, yeah. Respected it went back down. Okay, that is good for there. Then let's go to the next one. Yep, another TP. Nice, and now we'll have a buy. We'll have a buy, yeah. We should wait for it to break this buy, yeah. If it breaks here, that if it goes above here, then you can target up to here as a safe bet. For let's leave that because we are not here for any of that today. We go to 25. 25 was a loss. A loss. But you could have gone for like a 50. Let's see. Well, it didn't reach the 50, but it got almost to the 50. But this is a loss. This is a loss. 25 was a loss. Then we go for the next one, which, yep, think after this we go for the 5. Nice. Nice. You hit the TP. You went above it, which is here. I did say that it's going to get up to here, but I didn't underline it. I didn't label it because I felt like there's a possibility of it still getting up to here. So up to here, it will sell below, probably up to this very level. But you can see this was a nice entry, like there was no real drawback into this line. So we go to our last one, and let's see. It is okay. I did this probably yesterday night. That's when I put this block here. So I could have, I should have put this block as the main line because if you can see here, this is a break of this cell here. So there's a possibility of it going retest and going back up. So as you can see, a little bit of spike, but we'll come back to that on another day. So make a copy. Well, let me see. What are we? Okay, we did step last time, so we'll look for another step. I had that step had different. Okay, we should go with step 400. Never actually done anything with step 400. So make a copy. Step 400. V. Step 400. Now let's go to the daily chart. Let's see what we're looking at. Okay, on the daily chart, we have okay, we have this. This is our high. This is our low, our current low. This is our current low. Then we have this is equal. That's what we have there. Then let's see other block. It hasn't been tested yet. Then if we check this other block, it has been tested. It has been tested and then it hasn't reached this level yet. So probably it might still buy up to get up to here to get eat money, whatever. So I can push it up all the way down. So yeah, loss. There's this, yeah. There's this line, yeah. Thinking if I should leave it as a line or if I should just run another block around there. But we have this as a kind of interest, as point of interest, or what do I call it? Mm, Low, something like a current low. So we should go to the 4 hours time frame. Yeah. Okay, this is the 4 hours time frame. Yeah, came. Oh, okay, came here. Didn't test this particular one. I gave it the up, but tested the average around here. So we keep going. Let's see. Okay, 4 hours is 4 hours time frame. So yeah, if we use this, let's say if it's a buy, yeah, if it's going to be a buy, this is where you put it. No, let me check something. This we have something like a shift, yeah. This is a 4 hours time frame. So in all these things is that when you get to smaller time frame, you will see other market movement there. This is shift or change of structure, which is choke. So any of the two can be used. This is your BOS, break of structure, BOS. Yeah. And then we have other block around there. So what I'm trying to form here is to see what made the market move. To see it clearly, this is the other block will be trying to map up what made the market move. And then we have another very big OBDs to here. I think it got to the 50 and then yep, it got to the 50 and then came back down. OB. So another little BOS was here present. Break of structure. BS. So what we are seeing currently is this is the probability of what is going to happen. Yeah, this is the probability of what is going to happen. It's going to be a buy. Let's come to let's map it out. The BS, no, OB, sorry, OB. We go to the 1 hour time frame to just see if we see get it a little bit clearer. So all the boxes won't be entangling each other. Now, if we are minimizing it, we get something of that nature. If we minimize this, we get something of this nature. So they are literally touching it little by little. Now, see, the red was up, the blue was a little bit up here, and the green, sorry. Then now move this, yeah. So we've mapped it cleanly. So this is what we have. So currently, if we are to take any trade here, it should be a buy, a short buy, mind you. Yeah, buy. This is long. You can literally take it on here because this is, hmm, yeah, this is the break. Then you can take it up to here. Then take it up to the middle. It might break to go up because of this thing on here, but you should remember the narrative um on the 1 hour. Yeah, you should remember the narrative on the 1 hour on the daily. So this is what we have here, and let's go back to the daily. Let's remember the narrative we have. Yeah, this is the narrative. We are in something of um what do they call this, range consolidation or ranging market. This is what we currently are facing. So it should not be something that you are planning to take up to there, because there's a possibility that it's going to get there, come down, maybe take you off around here, then maybe go back up. So we should just take a shot there, then we wait again to see another confirmation. Now to the 4 hours time frame. Yep. Oh, 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour time frame. So yeah. It might give us something like a shift, get up to there probably. But for now, like this is the outcome we have for here. And yeah, I actually analyze this very quickly. I hope I'm not making any mistake. The way that I kind of rushed it, I feel like I made some mistake here. It looked, or it felt too simple. Okay. Let's see what we see at the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. What are you showing us? On the 15-minute time frame, you will. Okay, you got the test here, but it's kind of not making sense if you ask me. Okay, you will see on the 15 minutes, you look for big and you look for the small candle. You map that small candle that follow with a big FEG. Okay, small candle, kind of big FEG around here. You map it up. Yeah, let's see the next one. Should see. Well, as you can see, it came up. We tested there on that. Then, so what we will be saying is we'll say something like it's going to get up to probably up to this level. That is the TP. If the buy goes up to that, it's going to get up to this level. So now, what other thing I have forgotten to do that stuff again. So what other thing we're gonna do? I'll straighten this. Yep, I think that will be. What are you doing, my guy? Yeah, is this thing bent? It's looking bent. I don't know. What is this I want to do? What is this? What is this? What is this? Um, I want to map out the buy. Is it buy that I should map out or should I just? There is something that I want to map out which I've forgotten. But anyways, there is this Fibonacci. No, entry first, second, third, fourth. All this is your TPs if you want. All those things can be your TP. So now for you to get the entry, if you're interested in it, so this is the level. This is your entry. This is your take profit. This is your SL, and then you can still go for the half if the Fibonacci. If you didn't screenshot that or you are confused on how to do that, you can still go for the half, which is this. The half is around this level. So you can see it's 988.7.1605. That is the half of it. So this will be all for today. Tomorrow we'll come again with another um chart to analyze, and then by tomorrow we'll know what this gave us as an outcome. And as you can see, my SL is very, very low. It's because of I'm trying to put a buffer. I could have just put my SL around here, but then there's a possibility that it's going to just come and hit it off, then maybe go back up. So I put it here. I put it this below here, which initially I wanted to just put it under here because as you can see, here was another interest. Is the in the 4 hours, or is it in the daily? I think it's in the daily that it showed more. In the daily is this level here. So that is it. Anyways, thanks for watching, and let's meet again tomorrow. And hopefully this will be a profitable trade.